Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to open a web page from our Excel sheet by clicking on a text or a logo of that web page or any image that contains some hyperlink. This is an Excel sheet and here I will create a hyperlink that will open a web page. So in this cell I will type Ctrl K, so it will open this dialog box, or you can close it and just right click and click on this link command. It will open this dialog box and here you can see the first option is existing file or web page. So because we are going to open a web page, we will select this option, and here in this address bar we'll provide the link of that web page. So I want to create a hyperlink to my own YouTube channel. This is the link, and here in this text to display I'll remove this link and I'll type my channel name, that is tech and share. I'll also provide a screen tip, so let me copy this, and the screen tip, let me bring it here and let me paste it here. Click on OK, and here click on OK. So here this hyperlink is created, and here you can also see the screen tip, and if you click here in your default browser it will open this web page. So this is your channel that is opened. Click on this video section, you can just open any video from here. Let's go back to the Excel sheet. Like this we can create a hyperlink on a text. So now we'll see how to create a hyperlink on an image. Let me click on this cell and we'll bring an image here, so that may be the logo of that web page. Click on this insert tab. Now click on this picture and here select this device, and here I will select this image. This is the logo of my channel, so let me just resize it, and now let me place it here. So now on this image or this logo we'll create a hyperlink. I'll type Ctrl K, and here in this existing file or web page I'll provide the address. I'll give a screen tip, tag and share. Click on OK. Now we're good to go, and I'll click on OK. So now this image or this logo contains a hyperlink. You can see the screen tip here, tag and share. Now before clicking on this image to open that web page, I have to first click on anywhere outside, and now if I will hover over this image, it shows it has a hyperlink. So if I will click on this image or this logo on this default browser, it will open this web page or this channel. Hi everyone, this is so that is how you can open any web page in the internet through a hyperlink in the Excel sheet. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.